Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to walk you through exactly how to combine complex audiences in Mailchimp. If you're managing multiple lists or targeting different segments, merging your audiences can really simplify things and make your campaigns more effective. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to effortlessly bring your contact lists together, saving you time and making your marketing that much smarter. Let's jump right in. First, head over to the Mailchimp dashboard. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and do that now. Sometimes just getting into the right workspace is half the battle with these platforms. Once you're in, you'll see your main menu. Look for the section labeled Audience. That's where all your subscribers and lists live. Click on Audience to get started. Now you're looking for the particular audience or list you want to work with. Take a moment to make sure you're on the correct one, especially if you've got several. It's easy to get mixed up if you manage more than one brand, or if you have special lists for things like newsletter signups or customers from certain campaigns. Select your primary audience. You'll notice several options pop up in here, where Mailchimp organizes those extra tools you don't need every day. Next, look for the More Options menu. Sometimes it's tucked away in the corner or under an ellipsis button. Don't worry if you have to look around the screen for a minute. Mailchimp likes to keep advanced features here so you don't click them by accident. Click More Options and a drop-down or side menu will appear. From here you want to find Audience Settings. This is where the behind-the-scenes magic happens, things like default settings, tags, and for today's purpose, managing your lists. Click on Audience Settings to open it up. Now locate the section titled Manage Audiences. This part might take a few moments to find if you're not familiar with Mailchimp's layout, so take your time. Once you see Manage Audiences, click on it, and you'll notice a new area or drop-down unlocks offering some powerful options. Among these, you'll see Manage Audience with an additional drop-down menu right beside it. This is what you're looking for. Don't worry if you see a multiple-step menu. It's just Mailchimp making sure you don't combine the wrong lists by accident. Click that drop-down arrow and look for the Combine Audiences option. Once you select Combine Audiences, you're almost done. You'll be prompted to choose which audiences you want to merge. Take a moment to confirm your selections here. For example, say you have a group from a special promotion and another from your regular newsletter. Combining these ensures you won't miss anyone in future campaigns. Select the audience you want to combine your current list with. Mailchimp usually guides you with precautions, so you're not going to lose any important data at this stage. The platform often checks for duplicates or conflicting information so you get a clean final result. Hit Confirm or whatever Mailchimp's Finalize button is labeled and let the system do its thing. This can take a minute if you're working with large lists, so don't worry if it spins for a bit. Once it's done, your audiences are merged, so you can create campaigns for your newly unified list and segment with much less hassle. And that's it, nice work. Combining your audiences in Mailchimp isn't just about tidying up. It helps make sure your messages reach the right people, all from one organized spot. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to comment below with any questions or tips you have about Mailchimp. And if you want more easy-to-follow guides, tap that subscribe button so you never miss a new tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.